Hello everyone, I am Kunjan Jan and I am back again with a new cue card speaking topic. So today we are going to discuss cue card number 11 and the topic for today is describe a historical building you have visited. Yes, so it can be any historical building in your country, in your state, in some other state, in some other city or in some country, other country altogether, right? So let's see what are the cues or hints related to this. Where it is, you have to tell about the location, what it looks like, its appearance, why you went there, the reason that you went there, and explain how you felt about this historical building. What are your feelings, how you felt when you visited this place. So now let us see how we are going to prepare the topic. So I have written my topic historical building. Now historical places, I'm going to say something about that. So the place that I visited was Golden Temple. So it was earlier built by many Sikh teachers, finally rebuilt by King Ranjit Singh. Gold and marble, right? How it looks like it is made of gold and marble. Surrounded with a sacred pond. Yes, there's a sacred pond and the Golden Temple is surrounded with it. Most sacred place of Sikhs. Yes, it is the most pious. It is the most sacred place of Sikhs and thousands of visitors every year. There are thousands of visitors who visit this place every year, right? So let's see how we're going to speak the topic. Thank you for the cue card. India is a land of historical buildings and we can see a number of historical buildings in almost every state of our country. Today I am going to talk about a historical place that I have visited and the name of this place is Golden Temple. It is a very ancient temple that was built by many Sikh teachers, but they could not complete it as it was demolished by many Mughal rulers. But ultimately, one of the kings of Sikh dynasty, that is King Ranjit Singh, took the responsibility of rebuilding it and he finally accomplished in his vision of rebuilding it. He made it out of gold and marble. The facade of the Golden Temple is very attractive. It pleases the eyes of the seer. So anybody who is seeing it, anybody who is enjoying its vision is really pleased by how beautiful it looks. It is a very delightful place to go to. It is the most sacred place of Sikhs and thousands of visitors, not only Sikhs but from all the religions as well as all the countries, visit here. It is situated in Amritsar, that is in Punjab. It is a holy place that has a lot of history attached to it. It is surrounded by a sacred pond. I went there because I had never visited this place and I was really keen to know the history related to this place and how this place looks like. And then when I visited this place, I was in complete astonishment. My joy knew no bounds. I felt serenity and tranquility by visiting this place. I felt that I was in God's arms and God was actually blessing me. This place is so sacred that anybody who goes there feels absolute peace and silence, and the person whosoever with whatever trouble visits this place feels absolute calmness. The person feels so relaxed. My reason of visiting this place was just the curiosity and eagerness of not visiting this place and knowing this place for years. And finally, when I visited this place 3 years ago, I felt really happy. I felt complete delight on visiting this place, and I feel this is the most beautiful creations of Indians that has been in India, and everybody must visit this place because it is a very beautiful and very calm place. Thank you.